everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you searching ways to make money online? If yes, then today I have got something very special for you. As you know, print on demand is going to expand a lot this year. So today I have brought 10 print on demand niches which you can try and you can make a big amount of money from it. So grab a pen and a paper and listen to me very carefully, because in this video I'm going to explain everything in very detail. Also, I'm going to share some great AI tools which will make your work easier and quicker. So let's get started. Number 1 is movies. Everyone loves movies, right? Whether it's classic, blockbuster, nostalgic, latest superhero flicks, movie lovers are always looking for much to rep their favorite film. You can use movie dialogues and you can print it on t-shirt, mugs and phone cases. People love to show these type of things in their coffee mugs and phone cases, so it is a very good niche. If you are very lack of ideas, so you can try this as well. You have to search all the recent movies or the famous movies, and then you have to search their favorite dialogues, and then you have to upload and you have to edit it on your print on mugs and t-shirts, and then you have to give it to your audience. You can use Canva and Design Hill to create an amazing design from it. Also, it's super easy. Even if you don't know graphic design, don't need to worry. Don't forget to use Printful and Printify. These platforms will take care of everything from printing to shipping. All you have to do is you have to design and you have to sell. Number 2 is web series dialogues. Next, we have web series dialogues. If you're scrolling, you have seen that there are many web series dialogues which are instantly going viral. So when they are viral, people love to see it. So you have to use it as your opportunity and you have to print all the web series dialogues. So take and select the best and the famous web series dialogues that are already viral, and you have to print it and then you have to sell it. Check out stores like Geek Tees or Memes and Merch. They are already tapping into the power of web series dialogues and making serious money. Use copy.ai for brainstorming your ideas and you are going to get a numerous ideas from it. And also create your design in Adobe Illustrator or Placeit. Both platforms are very good to use. Number 3 is famous memes. Who doesn't love famous memes? Nowadays, famous memes are goldmine of print on demand niches. So you have to select the best meme and then you have to follow the trend, and then you have to print that particular meme in the t-shirt and people are going to buy it. People who are a very funky type of personality, they love to wear meme t-shirt. So you can sell them. Channels like Dan Cover Merch or Meme Shirts are already riding the meme wave and doing really well. These memes aren't just jokes, they are real businesses. You can use Deep AI text generator for creating amazing high quality memes. You can use Vistaprint for meme, and also they have numerous templates. Number 4 is latest concert. How about jumping into latest concert and artist merch? If you have ever been to a concert, you know how fans go crazy over exclusive bands or artist merchandise. Whether it's limited edition tees or fan art from the latest tour, music merch is always in high demand. Look at stores like band tees or concert gears. They are bringing in huge profit by offering unique music-inspired merchandise for popular artists. You can use Design Hill to create amazing music-related artwork, and again you can use Printful. Again is your best friend when it comes to fulfilling these type of orders. So don't forget to use Printful as well. Number 5 is pet lovers. People love their pets more than their family. I'm not talking about cats and dogs, but reptiles and other animals as well. Personalized pet merch like dog breed tees, funny cat mugs, and pet lover accessories are sure to grab attention. Check out stores like Pet Lover Tees or Paw and Prints. They are catering to the massive pet community and turning it into a full-time business. You can use Footer for easy design editing, especially when it comes for pet-related editing. Number 6 is motivational quotes. People love wearing motivational words in their t-shirts and coffee mugs and phone cases. So if you are going with this niche, you are going to be in a profit. So don't forget, all you have to do is you have to open ChatGPT and then you have to search famous motivational quotes, and there you're going to get thousands of quotes. So you have to select very famous quotes or the one which are very unique, and then you have to print it and you have to sell it. Stores like Inspire Merch, Quote Apparel have built thriving business by selling uplifting merchandise. You can use Jarvis.ai to create amazing motivational quotes, and also you can use Redbubble and you can sell their t-shirts as well. Number 7 is sports team and events. Fans really go crazy when it's about sports and their favorite team. So don't forget and use this opportunity. People go crazy when it's about their favorite sports star, sports team playing in field. So don't miss this. And whether it's World Cup, local team playing, test match, one day, IPL or any other thing, sports theme print on demand market is huge. So don't miss it. You have to select the best and you have to sell it. Stores like Fan Gear, Team Merch make money hand over fist by offering limited edition team merchandise. Use Luca to create theme-related logos and color theme prints. Also, you can use Printful for other things. Number 8 is travel and adventure. Everyone loves to travel, and the travel and adventure niche is very big. People want to wear designs that remind them of their favorite places or bucket list destination. Think about selling items like custom maps, I have been there tees, or adventure theme mugs. Store like Wanderlust merch or travel trees are doing great by focusing on adventure travelers. Use stencils to create adventure theme illustration and designs. Check out Teespring for seamless integration with your store and the ability to launch travel theme design instantly. Number 9 is astrology and spirituality. People are very much obsessed with zodiac signs, tarot card, and crystals. So what you have to do is you have to create the design related to this only, and you can use a spiritual quote as well. So you have to design tarot card, you have to design zodiac signs. In this manner, you can create content around spirituality. So people who are interested in spirituality, they will definitely going to buy your teas. Stores like Cosmic Teas and Zodiac Apparel are already crushing it. They're offering amazing mystical arts. You can use Astrology AI to create astrology-related content. Number 10 is minimalistic design. And finally, we have minimalistic designs. Less is more, right? People love the clean, simple look for minimalistic apparel. It's timeless and versatile. Whether it's a simple quote or minimalistic teas or accessories, they all are in huge demand. So you have to do is you have to search all the minimalistic design related things in ChatGPT, and you're going to get an amazing idea from that. And you have to use those ideas, and you have to make similar designs with that. And you have to use those ideas, and you have to make amazing designs from it. Look at stores like Minimalistic Clothing and Subtle Apparel. They have turned minimalistic design into a profitable business. You can use Designer for easy to use minimalistic design tools and Printify for all your design related shipping. So there you have. I have shared 10 print-on-demand niches which you can try and make big money. So don't forget to try something which are in all those 10 lists. Remember, with the right tools and right mindset, you can crack this print-on-demand niche as well. So let me know in the comment section below which of the niche you are going to try first. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want more videos, then share it and subscribe it. I will meet you in next video. Bye-bye.